Wait, why is the car facing that way?
Snowstorm in the Bronx. Let's go. What happened? I know, yo, there's like mad snow. Yo, let's go. Oh snap! I was about to fall. The snowstorm with the Bronx. Look at that, yo, mad snow. Snowy snow.
Yo, wait!
Oh, you?
Look at the snow.
I know, look at this. It's covered up all the garbage and that. No, you look at the cars, they all stuck. They all stuck. I know. Well,
There's a guy car who's been out here since last night.
yeah. Mad snow. Look, they all stuck, right? Icy car.
Nah.
Oh snap. Oh, it doesn't even zoom in that much. Oh, it's dying.
What does that smell?
I don't know.
It smells like this.
Little. That dude is just waiting right there.